Ready?
I'm ready.
Cool. So we're over here doing this. I don't know if you can, the microphone is picking it up, but the other side of Gold Coast, where all the other stuff is, I wanted to do Chester fried chicken. There's like 15, 20 people over there right now, with every kid in Kentucky going up those couple routes. Top roping through the rings. And I just think people need to read the rules before they come and do stuff. Ooh, that's fun. I hope I get to get on Chester's fried chicken today. There's a lot of feet everywhere. All right, getting it down.